in room 2, you mentioned that in front of the magistrate there were documents and there was also a device, a laptop. Is that correct?
Kulona ke lela gumbi inani kulona ushilo ukuthi la uma i-magistrate ikhona ke kwakukhona ke amaphepha kukhona ke futhi nokwakula wayesebenza ngako i-laptop.
Yes, ikhona. Ngoba phela wayeyaxoxa kuyabhala pen nazo.
Yes, it was there because she would be typing on it and then she would write, not knowing what it is she was writing.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ntanzi. Now, Mr. Ntanzi, let's move to the next aspect of the evidence that I want to take you through, and that will be the testimony of Constable Zungu.
Asidluleleke manje kwesinye isigaba losaloko engifisa ukubuza ngabo ubufakazi bakhe uConstable Zungu.
Now, in this case, there are other accused persons who are being tried alongside you. Now, if you look from accused number 1 to accused number 5, do you know any of these accused persons?
Manje ke kulecala leli kunabanye ke abasolwa osolwa ndawonye nabo ke uma ubuka ke kusuka kuyena ke umsolo wokuqala, wesithathu, owesine nowesihlanu uyabazi. I know Sibia, my lord.
Sorry, by Sibia, who are you referring to?
Uma uthi uSibia ukhuluma ngobani? Accused number 1.
Okay. And then, do you know accused number 3, Mr. Mncube?
Umsola wesithathu umnumzana uNcube uyamazi? No. I saw him for the first time in Boksburg, my lord.
Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4, do you know him?
Mapisa number 4 uyamazi? I also saw him for the first time in Boksburg, my lord.
And the last accused, Mr. Ntuli, do you know him?
Okugcina uNtuli uyamazi yena? Same applies with Ntuli. We met in Boksburg.
Now, with respect to Mr. Muzi Sibia, how do you know him?
Umuzi Sibia yena umazi kanjani? My lord, I know Sibia is Gwabeni's relative or Gwabeni's brother, but as to the depth of their relationship, my lord, I don't know how that is. Also, my lord, for me to know Sibia, that he is from or that he's from a Sibia clan, my lord, I know him through Gwabeni because Gwabeni is my friend.
And how long have you known Mr. Sibia?
Usunesikhathi esingakanani umazi uSibia? Although I won't be able to, or I won't be able be certain, my lord, as to starting from when. Because we would meet now and then back home, my lord, and I used to stay in Carltonville, and I didn't know where he was staying.
Okay. And when you say you'll meet back Makaya in the villages, what are you referring to?
Uma uthi ke beninokudibana emakhaya usho ukuthini? Okay. We are from different villages. He is from Mahlabathini, I am from Nongoma. Yeah.
And where in Nongoma are you from?
KwaNongoma ubuya kuphi nendawo? Kohlokolo, the village called Skhwebezi, yes.
And do you know a person by the name of Sizwe Skhumbuzo Zungu?
uSizwe Skhumbuzo Zungu uyamazi? I saw him for the first time when he came here in court, my lord.
Now, before the 7th of September 2023, had you seen Sizwe Zungu before?
ngaphambi kweyi-7 zikaSeptember 2023 ingabe owake wambona yini phambi kwalelo langa lelo uSikhumbuzo Zungu?
Angimazi hlobo ngithi.
I don't know him at all, my lord.
Now, for the sake of how we're going to refer to him, it is common cause that in this case we have referred to him as Constable Zungu. So from now on, when I say Constable Zungu, that means I'm also referring to the same person by the name of Sizwe Sikhumbuzo Zungu.
Ngenxa-ke yokuthi lana-ke eqaleni manje useyaziwa noma ubizwa njengo-Constable Zungu, so uma ngikhuluma ngaye-ke ngizosho kanjalo-ke uConstable Zungu.
Now, did you and Constable Zungu grow up together in the same village?
Ingabe nakhulela esigodini esisodwa wena naye uConstable Zungu?
Cha, mina angimazi ukuthi ukhulele la.
No, I don't even know where he grew up.
And when you were growing up, did you socialize with this Constable Zungu?
Uma ukhula ingabe umuntu lona owawuhlangana naye noma kukhona kunihlanganisayo nikhula noma ukhula wena?
Cha, Nkosi Matala angimazi ukuthi ukhulele. Mina khathi eningi ngihlala kakhulu ngapha ekhaya komama.
No, I don't know where he grew up because I spent most of the time at my mother's side of the family.
And where does your mother's side of the family reside?
Kulo mama ukuphi?
Kuyona indawo kuthiwa kwaCingcethe uma ubheke le phezulu. Mawuya ngasathi ngeza bongoma. Uma la ufika engoma phambili khona ngaphansi.
A place called Cengcethe when you go to Ngoma, but you don't eventually reach Ngoma.
And do you know Absalom Ntlantezi Zungu?
Ubaba uAbsalom Nhlahlezi Zungu uyamazi?
Ngiyamazi.
I know him.
And how do you know him?
Umazi kanjani?
Mazi ukuthi nje ubaba waZungu.
I know him as a gentleman from the Zungu clan.
Ngoba kumqaphela kwami ngimqaphela kakhulu khona isikhathi ubaba elinyazwe imoto. Uthi angisasi ubaba elinyazwe imoto.
Baba wakho.
Ubaba wami elinyazwe imoto.
Because where I got to know him or to notice him was when my father was injured by a vehicle. I don't know when exactly, yebo.
Kulesi sikhathi ke sengikwazi nokuthi ngivule umlomo ngempela. Ngangithanda nombotho wababa kwaZungu, ngathi ngithi ubaba kwaZungu ngimjwayela ngimdala ke mina ngingane.
It was at that time when I started to be able to open my mouth and greet him. But before that, I was just used to see him because I only know him as being a gentleman from Zungu because I am much younger than him. I'm a child to him.
And you've also heard Mr. Absalom Zungu saying that his mother is in Tanzi as well. Did you hear him say that?
Simzwile ke ubaba uZungu esho ukuthi uma wakhe owakwantanzi. Wakuzwa lokho?
Yebo ngakuzwa.
Yes, I heard it.
Did you previously know that there was this family relationship with Mr. Absalom Zungu?
Okuyinto owayazi ke leyo ukuthi nihlobo ke nobaba uZungu?
Ngihlala ngizebiza ubaba ngomzala.
I used to hear him calling or referring to my father as a cousin.
Okay. And by what name, if at all, did you know Mr. Absalom Zungu with?
Yiliphi igama omazi ngalo noma obumazi ngalo ubaba uZungu?
Akuvamisile ngathi ungabiza ubaba ngithi igama lakhe ngisathi ubaba waSibiyo, ubaba waZungu, ubaba waSithelezi, ubaba wangu, ubaba nawaTanzi.
It's not a usual occurrence that you would refer to a father or an elderly gentleman by his name. You would know that he's Mr. Zungu, he's Mr. Buthelezi, he's Mr. Sibiya, Mr. Ntanzi.
What I want to get, Mr. Ntanzi, is whether or not you knew his first names as Absalom Ntlantezi.
Engifisa ukwazi mina ukuthi amagama akhe bekuwamagama obuwazi yini ukuthi uAbsalom Nhlahlezi.
Lela Absalom ngala lela Nhlahlezi belizwe lela Absalom bengalazi.
I did not know the Absalom name. I used to hear about the Nhlahlezi name.
Okay. And you know a person named Gwabeni Sifiso Zungu who testified in this court?
uGwabeni Sifiso Zungu yena uyamazi?
Bemazi igama likaGwabeni lela Sifiso ngiqala ukulizwa ngala court.
I only knew Gwabeni, the Sifiso name. I only heard it for the first time here in court.
And how do you know him?
yena ke umazi kanjani?
Kosemkantla noma singazange sifunde noGwabeni, azange ngifunde vele noGwabeni enkolweni zabo, kodwa nje igama laGwabeni ngibe ngimazi ukuthi uGwabeni uzalwa ubaba kwaZungu ngokuthi naye udlala ingoma lana udlala ingoma.
We never attended school together. I only knew him as being a Gwabeni, that his father is from a Zungu clan, that he performed the traditional dance, that I also performed the traditional dance.
And what is the nature of the relationship between yourself and Gwabeni?
Ubudlelane phakathi kwakho noGwabeni nabo yibuphi?
Ubudlelwane umdlalo ongingathini kimi ku-right ngoba ayikho into engimazela nami futhi ayikho into engazela nazo ingoma kuphela kanjalo then futhi ingoma ikuphi hayi ingoma isendaweni eso kanjani.
To me, it was okay. There is nothing that I know about him. There's nothing that he knows about me. It would just be a case of him asking me where's the traditional dance, me also asking him where's the traditional dance, and then he would say it is at such and such a place.
By the nature of a relationship, perhaps if I clarify, I meant to say, was he an acquaintance to you, a friend to you? What was he to you?
Ebengiqonda ukusho bengifisa nje ukwazi ukuthi bekuwumuntu ojwayelene naye, umngani wakho, iloko bengikubuza.
Yeah, ngasho ngathi ngijwayele ngoba kwesikhathi sibe sidibana nje sihlala ngale ngakithi noma nami noma ngingapha kuba ngumtshenteli ukuthi angilanga endaweni eso ngakithi sihlale nje sinqoqole semphinda ngihamba ngiya ngakithi.
I would say an acquaintance, yes, because we would hang out together. I would contact him if I am by his place and say I am around your place. He would come, we would sit, have a chat, and if he's also on my side, we would also be together, and thereafter I would leave.
Now, on the 26th of October, did you know where Gwabeni was residing?
Ngay 26 October ingabe wawazi la ayehlala khona uGwabeni?
Gwabeni angimazi ehlala amanje amanje ehlala.
I don't know where Gwabeni resides. Up until today, I don't know where he resides.
And just for completeness sake, Mr. Ntanzi,
Can I ask first?
Lapha eGoli noma emakhaya.
Do you
Yes, that
refer
was-
here in Gauteng or back home?
Yes, I was trying to clarify that here in Johannesburg, in Gauteng, where did you know where he resided? Here.
Ngisho la eGoli.
Angimazi ehlala.
No, I don't know where he stays.
And have you ever visited this place here in Gauteng?
Wake waya la ahlala khona la eGoli?
Cha angimazi ehlala kodwa ngivakashele.
No, I don't know where he stays. I've never visited him here in Gauteng.
Now, Constable Zungu has testified as follows, and I'll give you by way of background, which is not going to be long because Mr. Mnisi has already placed it on record. He testified that on the 26th of October 2014, when he and Makosonke arrived at the Basotho hostel in Vosloorus, amongst the people that were there was yourself, Mr. Mncube, and Mr. Ntuli.
Ubufakazi bakhe ke abethula ushilo ukuthi ke ngaze ngo-October ka-2014 ma efika eVosloorus phakathi kwabantu ababekhona lapho kubantu ababekhona lapho kwakuwena Mncube noMaphisa.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay, what do you say about that, Mr. Ntanzi?
Uthini ngalokho?
Uthi nganginaye mina ehostela
Uthi
Basotho.
He arrived.
Is he saying I was with him, or was he saying I was with him?
No, he arrived with Lonke.
Cha uthi yena wafika lapho ehamba noMakhosonke.
And he arrived there at the invitation of Gwabeni.
Wafika lapho ebizwe uGwabeni.
Gwabeni informed him that he must come and he must bring Makosonke along, who was in Johannesburg at the Carlton Center, and there were going to be several other homeboys from home.
Uthi ke wathi ke aze naye uMakhosonke owayeseCarlton Center ke eGoli nokuthi ke uma beza ke kuzabe kukhona nabanye ke ababuye emakhaya.
So when you got there, the people that were there, amongst others, was Mr. Sibia, yourself, Mr. Mnube, and Mr. Ntuli.
Uthi abantu ababekhona kwakuSibiya, wena, Mr. Mncube, Ntuli.
Yeah.
Angizange ngibe leyo ndawo Nkosi enkantolo ngoba ngiyazi ngakuyakazi.
I was never at that place, my lord, because I don't even know it.
Number 2 mina uMakhosonke ngiqala ukumazi eNorthwest eRustenburg.
Secondly, my lord, I got to know Makhosonke in Northwest Rustenburg.
Uzunga ngimazi nje isidala ukuthi ukuphi ekhona uthi ubuya.
I don't even know where Zungu comes from or where his home is.
Mina ngisho uSibiya mhlawumbe ngoDisemba ngiyeke ngiyambona kwasinye isikhathi noSibiya. Uma kuthi mhlawumbe la ungeje engomeni singabonani isikhathi esiningi.
Because at times I would also not see Sibiya, my lord, if it's a December time or during the December holidays. If we missed each other in the traditional dance, then we wouldn't see each other.
You mentioned something about knowing Ma Gwabeni in 2016. What are you saying about that? Did you mention anything about knowing Gwabeni in 2016? I misheard something perhaps.
uMakhosonke ngiqala ukumbona eRustenburg
okay.
mangifika.
I said I met Makhosonke in Rustenburg when I just arrived.
Okay, we'll come to Makhosonke. Then, did you know at the time that Gwabeni was residing at the Basotho hostel?
Ngabe ngaleso sikhathi leso wawazi yini ukuthi uGwabeni uhlala eBasotho hostel?
Cha ngimazi namanje angimazi.
No, I don't know. Even now, I don't know where he stays.
And Constable Zungu says he arrived with Makhosonke between 3 and 4 o'clock.
Ufakazi bakhe ke uConstable Zungu uthi wafika ke lapho naye uMakhosonke phakathi kuka 3 no 4 isikhathi.
Now, you've just said that you started knowing Makhosonke in 2016. What is Makhosonke's surname?
Uyasho ke ukuthi uqale ukumazi uMakhosonke ngo2016. Ubani isibongo sikaMakhosonke?
Wazungu.
Zungu.
And how do you know Makhosonke?
uMakhosonke umazi kanjani?
Ngiqala ukumbona Nkosi enkantolo mangifika mina eRustenburg noShoes. Nakhona uShoes ngoya amtshela mina ukuthi lona ubani.
I got to know him in Rustenburg when I arrived there with Shoes, and Shoes is the one who told him who I was.
Ngoba mina bengingamazi isidala.
Because I didn't know him.
And who is this Shoes person that you are referring to?
uShoes okhuluma ngaye ubani?
Ubhuti wazo.
Is a gentleman from Zondo, the Zondo clan.
And the circumstances where you and Zungu go to Rustenburg, can you briefly explain that?
Izimo ke ezaholela ekuthini ke niye ke eRustenburg, Zungu o Zondo? Zondo.
Shoes Zondo.
No Zondo. Kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi niye eRustenburg? Noma izimo naye eRustenburg ngaphansi kwazo?
Nkosi enkantolo mina ngangisekhaya ekhaya.
My lord, I was back home doing nothing. I was just at home.
Ngoba mangikhumbula kahle uShoes wangifonela ebusuku ngoba wangifonela ebusuku ngavuka ekuseni wangilandela ngemoto wangitshela ukuthi eRustenburg ngoba ndoda kufuneka ama-driver uyi-driver ngiyakwazi hambe eRustenburg kufuneka ama-driver ngampela ngahamba ngaya eRustenburg.
Shoes is the one who called me at night, and then in the morning he came to pick me up with his vehicle, my lord. And then he told me that they were looking for drivers in Rustenburg and said to me, I know you are a driver, go to Rustenburg. Indeed, I went to Rustenburg.
Ukuze ngifike eRustenburg ngihambe ngayo uZondo.
That's how I got to Rustenburg. I traveled with Zondo.
So, on the 26th of October 2014, did you know Makhosonke?
Ngay 26 October 2014, uMakhosonke wawumazi?
Cha ngingamazi.
No, I didn't know him.
Now, Constable Zungu has testified as follows that because he had forgotten some of the people that were there at the hostel, Gwabeni had to remind him and reintroduce him to some of the people, and in particular, Gwabeni introduced himself to yourself and Mr. Mncube.
uConstable Zungu kubufakazi abethula-ke wathi-ke ngoba-ke abanye abantu wayesebakhohliwe-ke kwaba uGwabeni-ke owabethula-ke abanye kuyena abethula-ke kwaba uwena kanye noMncube.
Kusenkantolo kulona iqiniso ngoba noMncube angimazi, wayena uZungu angimazi.
My lord, that's not true because I do not know Mncube. I also do not know Zungu.
Hostel akhuluma ngayo angiyazi.
I also don't know the hostel that he's referring to.
Now, Constable Zungu has further testified that there was fun, merry drinks and meat and song and dance, and that at some stage they ran out of alcohol and some people went to Tops to buy alcohol.
Kubufakazi bakhe-ke uZungu, Constable Zungu ushilo-ke ukuthi-ke kwakujatshuliwe lapho kuphuzwa kudliwe inyama kunengoma futhi-ke kuthi-ke kunesikhathi la khona-ke utshwala baphela khona kwafanele ukuthi abanye bahambe-ke bayothenga utshwala.
And then Constable Zungu testified that they traveled in a red Uno motor vehicle, and amongst the people that were in that car to go and buy alcohol at the Tops liquor store was yourself.
Ubufakazi bakhe-ke uConstable Zungu uthi kwahanjwa-ke ngemoto ebomvu i-Uno kuyiwa-ke eTops kuyothengwa bona-ke utshwala kubantu-ke ababekhona lapho kwakuwena.
Kusenkantolo uZungu angimazi, ngazange ngidinge ngibone uZungu angimazi nje isidala.
My lord, I don't know Zungu. I did not see Zungu. I don't know it. I don't know him at all.
Ngisho le ndawo yaseGoli akhuluma ngayo mina ngiyazi, ngoba ngeke ngiyikhombe namanje.
Even this place in Johannesburg that is referring to, my lord, I do not know it. I can't even point it out.
Ngisho hostel akhuluma ngayo mina ngiyazi.
I don't even know the hostel he's referring to.
Now, do you know of any red Uno car that was used to travel to Tops bottle store on the 26th of October 2014?
Ngabe kunemoto yaziyo yini ebomvu ekuyi-Uno ekwahanjwa ngayo kuyothengwa utshwala eTops?
Cha, angiyazi ngoba mina ngikhola.
No, I don't know it, my lord, because I wasn't there.
Were you a passenger in that red Uno that went to Tops for the purposes of purchasing alcohol?
Ingabe wawugibele leyo moto leyo ekuyi-Uno ebomvu kuyothengwa utshwala eTops?
Cha.
No.
Did you go with Constable Zungu and other people on the 26th of October to a liquor store to buy alcohol?
Ingabe wahamba noConstable Zungu yini kanye nabanye abantu kuyothengwa utshwala eTops?
Kusenkantolo kokuqala uZungu angimazi.
Firstly, my lord, I don't know Zungu,
Kodwa azange ngahamba noZungu.
and I've never even traveled with Zungu.
Akulo ndawo akhuluma ngala enkantolo mina ngiyazi.
Even the place that he referred to here in court, I don't know it.
Now, if I may respectfully refer you to Exhibit S, you remember we dealt with Exhibit S last week, which is a download of photographs from the device of Mr. Mncube. And this is the photo that we dealt with, photo 47 of Exhibit S.
Ungakhumbula-ke kunalesithombe-ke lesi esikhulume ngaso-ke kwiviki elidlule. Yes.
Now, in his testimony, when he was interacting with my learned colleague, Advocate Baloyi, in his evidence in chief, Constable Zungu referred to the person behind the motor vehicle depicted wearing bluish clothing and a blue cap. The person is facing down. His face is actually obscured, and he said that was yourself.
Ethula ubufakazi bakhe-ke la enkantolo ehola-ke noma-ke ehlonywa-ke imibuzo kuyena u-Advocate uBaloyi wakhuluma-ke ngomuntu uma ngabe uyabona-ke ngale emuva kwayo imoto leyana ogqoke ikepusi ethi uwena leyana ubuso-ke bomuntu loya abonakala.
Kusenkantolo naseboardroom ngasho ngathi akusimina noma ngiqala ukubona lesi sithombe lesi.
My lord, even in the boardroom, I did say that that was not me when I saw this photo for the first time.
namanje Nkosi enkantolo ngisasho phambi kwakho ukuthi akusimina lo muntu omuntu ngaphansi lo.
Even now, before you, my Lord, I still maintain that's not me. I don't know the person.
Now, when Constable Zungu testified under oath in this court to say, this one at the back is Mafika, was that testimony truthful or not?
Manje ke uma wayethula ubufakazi bakhe ke la enkantolo uConstable Zungu ethi umuntu loyana umafika, ingabe lobo bufakazi lobo kwakuyiqiniso noma cha?
Akulona iqiniso Nkosi enkantolo.
It was not truthful, my Lord.
Were you present at the place? This photo has got Mr. Advocate Sibanda, if you can assist me maybe with the top part.
As a court case, my Lord, our recollection of the evidence is that during the cross-examination of Advocate Ngumalo, Constable Zungu did make a correction and said it's accused number 4. It's as far as we can remember.
As the court pleases, my Lord, I was very explicit. I said in his evidence in chief, I'm not talking about cross-examination. I said in his evidence in chief with my learned colleague, Advocate Baloyi, this is what Zungu said.
But I don't know, my Lord, whether one can look at the evidence in isolation or you look at the totality. You can't say confine yourself and ignore the rest of the evidence. We have to look at the evidence in totality.
My Lord, Advocate Baloyi or Mr. Sibanda, they are coming to cross-examine this witness for the next 10 weeks. So he'll have an opportunity to clarify this with him. I'm only referring to, and it's not my intention to clarify. I'm talking about the evidence in chief.
But it was corrected according to him.
Yes, it was corrected, but I'm
so the evidence that's corrected is the current one, obvious. Yeah, let's go on.
Okay. And you. In any event, Mr. Ntanzi, what were you saying that you don't know Zungu? I was asking you whether or not you know the place where this photograph was taken.
Bengibuza ke ukuthi ngabe indawo lena la isithombe esathwetshulelwa khona uyayazi yini? No?
Because you see on top there towards the left, this photo is marked 0029 and the date thereon is 2014-10-26.
Ngoba ke uma ubheka la uhlangothi kusanga kwesokunxele kubhaliwe lapha u0029 base kubhalwa ke u2014-10-26. Yes.
Were you in the phosphorus area on this date of the 26-10-2014?
Ngabe ke wawusendaweni yasephosphorus ngazo i26 zika-October 2014.
Cha Nkosi enkantolo namanje phosphorus azange ngihamba uma ngingaka nje.
No, my Lord, because even at my current age, my Lord, I've never been to phosphorus.
Now, Constable Zungu testified further that between 2000 hours and 2100 hours, he saw you, accused number 1 and accused number 3, coming into the hostel, moving very fast, going into Gwabeni's room, and according to him, you all looked shocked. Did this happen?
Kubufakazi bakhe uConstable uZungu wathi ke kwakuphakathi ke no8 no9 ebusuku ngazi 26 October 2014 kwakuwena sola wokuqala kanye nowesithathu nangena ke lapho naya kwikamera noma ke kwigumbi lokulala lakhe uGwabeni futhi ke nibukeka niyabantu ke kukhona ke into nje ebathusile ingabe kwenzeka lokho?
Cha Nkosi enkantolo akulona iqiniso.
No, my Lord, that's not true.
Ngoba namanje indla Gwabeni angiyazi ngoba uhlala kuphi indawo ngazi.
Because up to now, my Lord, I don't know Gwabeni's house. As to where he stays, I don't know.
Were you in the company of accused number 1 and 3 at Gwabeni's room at the time mentioned by Constable Zungu on the 26th of October 2014.
Ingabe nanye kwaGwabeni wena ke undawonye naye umsolwa wokuqala kanye nowesithathu ngaso lesi sikhathi lesi uGwabeni asishilo noma akhuluma ngaso?
Cha.
No.
Did you go anywhere that evening of the 26th of October 2014 in the company of accused number 1 and 3?
Kukhona yini la owaya khona ngalo lelo langa lelo uhamba nomsolwa wokuqala kanye nowesithathu?
Cha Nkosi enkulu.
No, my lord.
Now, what do you say about Constable Constable Zungu's testimony on this aspect that he saw you accused number 1, 2, and 3 in a hurry going into Gwabeni's room looking shocked?
Manje ke uthini ngaloku ke ukhulunywa uConstable Zungu kubufakazi bakhe ukuthi ke kwakuwena umsolwa wokuqala kanye nowesithathu ningena kulona ke ikamera likaZungu futhi ke nibukeka ke ukuthi kukhona ke nje into eyanithusa futhi ke nanihamba nje ngezinini?
Akulona iqiniso Nkosi enkulu.
That's not true, my lord.
Now, Constable Zungu testified further that he then stood up from where he was sitting and followed all 3 of you into Gwabeni's room.
Eqhubeka ke nomfakazi bakhe uConstable Zungu uthi wasesukuma ke la ayehlezi khona wanilandela ke ukuya kulona ke ikamera likaZungu.
Did that happen?
Kwenzeka yini lokho?
Cha Nkosi enkulu mina ikamela kaGwabeni angilazi noZungu angimazi.
No, my lord, because I don't know Gwabeni's bedroom. I also don't know Zungu.
He testified, Constable Zungu, that when he got into that room, the light went off, back on, but the crux is this, that he saw accused number 1 and 3 carrying firearms on them.
Uthi efika ke lapho kulona ke ikamera lelo kaZungu waseqeshwa ke ugesi kodwa ke baphinda balayitwa futhi ke noma bakhanyiswa futhi ke kodwa ke kuloko akushoyo ukuthi ke lapho wabona umsolwa wokuqala kanye nowesithathu bephethe ibhamu. I wasn't there, my lord. I know nothing.
Did you see accused number 1 and 3 carrying guns on the 26th of October in the presence of Constable Zungu at the Basotho hostel?
Ingabe wambona yini umsolwa wokuqala nowesithathu bephethe ibhamu nge-26 October 2014 eBasotho hostel? No, my lord, because I don't even know the hostel. As well as accused number 3 is unknown to me, my lord. I saw him for the first time in Boksburg.
He testified that the firearms carried by accused number 1 and 3 respectively were a .38 revolver and a 9mm.
Uthi ke ibhamu lezo ababeyiphethe ke okuyi.38 revolver kanye ne-9mm. I'm not familiar with firearms, my lord.
And Constable Zungu testified further that when he saw this carrying of firearms in Gwabeni's room in your presence and the presence of accused number 1 and 3 as well, they were handing these firearms to Gwabeni. Did you see any firearm exchange in Gwabeni's room on the 26th of October 2014?
Uthi ke kubufakazi bakhe uma ibona leyibhamu ke wabona ke izidluliselwa kuyena ke uGwabeni. Ingabe wabona yini kudluliselwa ibhamu uGwabeni ngazo 26 October 2014? No, I never saw that. Because I wasn't there.
Constable Zungu testified that his suspicion was aroused and he had requested Gwabeni to hand over Constable Zungu's firearm back to him, which was a service pistol, a Z88. Did you see that happening?
Uthi ke waseba ney'nsolo ke yena ila acela khona-ke uGwabeni ukuthi-ke amnikeze isibhamu sakhe sasemsebenzini ekwakuyi Z88.
Z88, it's an issue by the SAPS.
Isibhamu-ke leso sasemaphoyiseni. Ingabe wabona yini lokho?
Ngangingekho Nkosi enkantolo, leyo ndawo leyo angiyazi.
I wasn't there, my lord. I don't even know that place.
Wayena uZungu mina ngimazi, ngiqala ukumbona mengena la ecourt.
Even Zungu is unknown to me. I saw him for the first time when he came into court, my lord.
He testified, Constable Zungu, further that upon receipt of his Z88 from Gwabeni, then he smelt it in order to satisfy himself that that firearm was not used for nefarious reasons.
Uthi-ke esesinikiwe-ke isibhamu sakhe uyena uGwabeni ila asesinuka khona-ke ukuqinisekisa-ke ukuthi akukho la esisetshenziswe khona-ke sisetshenziswa mhlawumbe-ke ekugangeni.
Were you present in that room of Gwabeni on the 26th of October 2014, and did you observe Constable Zungu smelling his firearm?
Wawukhona yini lapho kwigumbi lakhe uGwabeni nge-26 ka-October 2014 nokuthi wambona yini uConstable Zungu enukisa isibhamu sakhe?
Cha ngangingekho.
No, my lord, I wasn't there.
Ngoba nendlu kaGwabeni angiyazi, noZungu angimazi.
Because even Gwabeni's house is unknown to me, I also don't know Zungu.
Now, he testified further, Constable Zungu, that he then started reprimanding Gwabeni, asking him why were they in possession or holding firearms in the hostel, and this was done whilst you were still in that room. Did this happen?
Uthi-ke ila aqala khona-ke ukuthi-ke athethiseke uGwabeni ukuthi-ke babungani-ke bephethe ibhamu ehostel. Uthi lokho kwenzeka-ke usekhona-ke wena lapho. Ingabe kwenzeka yini lokho?
Cha, awulona iqiniso Nkosi enkantolo.
No, it's not true, my lord.
Constable Zungu testified that as he's busy reprimanding Gwabeni about the possession or handling of firearms within the hostel complex, you then left that room of Gwabeni, you, Mr. Ntanzi.
Uthi-ke kusekuloko-ke esathethisa yena kuGwabeni mayelana nezibhamu-ke ila wena-ke Ntanzi owaphuma khona.
Did that happen?
Kwenzeka yini lokho?
Cha Nkosi enkantolo, mina ngimazi nendlu kaGwabeni angiyazi, noZungu angimazi.
No, my lord, I don't know. I don't know Zungu's house, Gwabeni's house. I also don't know Zungu.
He testified, Constable Zungu, that at some stage, whilst they were in the room and you are outside, accused number 5 arrived, and his first inquiry was whether or not there was a problem or an issue.
Uthi-ke usengaphandle-ke wena lapho noma usaphumile-ke lapho kwafika-ke umsola wesihlanu efuna ukwazika noma efisa ukwazika ukuthi yayikhona yini inkinga.
Did you see accused number 5 arriving on the 26th of October 2014 at Gwabeni's room as testified to by Constable Zungu in this manner?
Ingabe wambona yini efika umsola wesihlanu ngazi 26 October 2014 kulona-ke ikamera likaGwabeni ngayo le ndlela le uConstable Zungu ethula ubufakazi ngayo?
Cha Nkosi enkantolo, umsola wesihlanu mina angimazi, ngiqala ukumbona ehospital.
No, my lord. Accused number 5 is unknown to me. I saw him for the first time in Boksburg.
uZungu futhi naye ngiqala ukumbona mengena ecourt.
And I saw Zungu for the first time when he came to court.
Indlu kaGwabeni angiyazi.
Gwabeni's house is unknown to me.
Constable Zungu testified further that accused number 5 asked him to leave the room so that he can speak to the occupants in privacy, and that's when he obliged and left that room.
Uthi-ke wase ecelwa-ke yena Constable Zungu umsola wesihlanu ukuthi-ke aphumeke ngoba-ke wayefisa ukuthi akhulumeke nalabo ababe lapho ngempela-ke waphuma yena Constable Zungu.
Do you know anything about that?
Khona kwaziwe mayelana nalokho? No.
Constable Zungu testified that as he leaves that room, he sees you at some corner, and by then he observes that you have changed the jacket that you were wearing. Initially, you were wearing a black jacket, now you've changed into a grey jacket.
Uthi-ke ephuma-ke yena Constable Zungu ila akubona khona-ke wena uma ekubona-ke manje wawusewushintshile-ke ijaketi owuyigqokile ngaphambilini-ke wawushintshe ijaketi ingasiyona le owuyigqokile kuqala.
Did this happen?
Kwenzeka yini lokho?
Akulona iqiniso baba.
That's not true, my lord.
Angimazi uZungu senkantolo.
Zungu is unknown to me, my lord.
Okay. Now, Mr. Ntanzi, having heard what I've said so far about what Zungu says about you regarding the date of the 26th, do you still maintain that you were not at the hostel Lesotho on the 26th of October 2014?
Usukuzwile-ke lokho ngiqeda ukusho kuwena ukuthi yini eyashiwo uZungu ngathi ethula ubufakazi bakhe la phambi kwale nkantolo. Usamile-ke ukuthi wawungekho lapho wena-ke eBasotho hostel nge-26 zika-October 2014.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo ngisamile la.
Yes, my lord, I still maintain it.
And is Constable Zungu's testimony about your presence, your activities at Basotho hostel on the 26th of October true or false?
Manje-ke okushiwo uyena uConstable Zungu mayelana nawe owakwenza khona eBasotho hostel ngazo i-26 ka-October 2014 kuyiqiniso noma akusilona iqiniso?
Ukhuluma amanga Nkosi enkantolo.
He's telling lies, my lord.
Constable Zungu testified that the night of October, 26 October 2014 came and went. He went to Tembisa where he resided, and on the morning of Monday, the 27th, that is when he heard from the media that Senzo Meyiwa has been killed.
Uthi wahamba-ke noma base buyaphela-ke buyadlula-ke ubusuku loba nge-26 ka-October 2014 wahamba-ke wayethembisa la ahlala khona. Uthi-ke kungelanga elilandelayo ngomsombuluko i-27 ku-October 2014 uma esezwa-ke ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa useshonile.
And the following day, that will be the Tuesday, the 28th, then he bought a newspaper, or he saw from a newspaper an article regarding the death of Senzo, together with a photograph accompanying that story. And the photograph referred to the two suspects that had entered the house at the Khumalo household on the night Senzo was killed.
Uthi-ke wase ebona-ke iphepha ngelanga elilandelayo kungolwesibili nge-28 October 2014 iphepha lelo-ke lalihamba-ke nombiko noma-ke ithombe-ke khulunywa lapho ngabantu ababili abangena kwaKhumalo ngalelo langa lelo uSenzo abulawa ngalo.
And that when he looked at the photograph that was accompanying the story in that newspaper, one of the persons that he saw, it dawned on him that he was with that person at Basotho hostel on the 26th of October, and the person bore a resemblance to you.
Nokuthi-ke uma ebona isithombe leso-ke esasihamba nawo umbiko lowo wase ethola-ke noma-ke wasebona-ke ukuthi omunye-ke kulaba bantu ababili-ke lapho kwisithombe leso umuntu awayendawonye naye lapha eBasotho hostel ngazo i-26 October 2014, nokuthi-ke loyo muntu loyo-ke kwakuwumuntu owayefana nawe.
Nkosi enkantolo ngiyaphinda ngithi uZungu angimazi.
My lord, I repeat that I don't know Zungu.
Now, I want to take you pertinently, Mr. Ntanzi, to the actual testimony of Constable Zungu, especially pertaining to his interaction with Brigadier Gininda and General Leshabane. Zungu testified that he obtained your photographs and accused number one's photographs, and he gave them to General Leshabane because he had reported to General Leshabane that the people that are alleged to have been involved in the Senzo Meyiwa case, he was in their company at Basotho Hostel on the 26th of October 2014.
uConstable Zungu ethula ubufakazi bakhe washo-ke ukuthi-ke wasethola-ke isithombe sakho nesithombe somsola wokuqala wase enikeza ngazo-ke kuGeneral Leshabane ngoba wayeshilo-ke noma wamtshela-ke uGeneral Leshabane ukuthi-ke abantu-ke ekhulunywa ngabo noma-ke isithombe asibonile-ke abantu aye ndawonye nabo eBasotho Hostel ngazo 26 October 2014.
And do you know of any of your photos that were obtained from Kwabeni by Constable Zungu that were handed to General Leshabane?
Unolwazi yini lwesithombe noma izithombe zakho ezatholwa uyena uConstable Zungu eyithola kuGwabeni awayithatha-ke wandlulisela kuGeneral Leshabane?
Franco Sempantela nginalo ulwazi.
No, my lord, I have no knowledge.
Ngizwe ngaye nakhuluma khona khona nginganazi.
I heard it from him when he mentioned it here in court. I did not bear any knowledge.
Nesithombe lesathi wasihambisa kaze ngisibone.
Even the photo that he alleged to have taken, my lord, I've never seen that photo.
Now, he says that once he had reported the matter to General Leshabane, General Leshabane in essence told him that they shouldn't talk about this matter anymore, this matter referring to the killing of Senzo Meyiwa.
Uthi-ke esesihambisile isithombe leso-ke kuyena uGeneral Leshabane, okwashiwo uGeneral Leshabane kuyena-ke ukuthi-ke angaphinde bakhulume ngalo udaba lolu, udaba-ke esho ukubulawa kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa.
Now, the part that I want to take you to is this one. He testified that seeing the frustrations with General Leshabane, he then approached the National Commissioner's office and they was directed now to the investigating officer, Brigadier Gininda.
Uthi-ke esebona-ke ukuthi-ke manje-ke kwakwenzekani-ke uma ekhulumisana naye uGeneral Leshabane ngalo udaba lolu, ila esendlulela khona-ke kwihhovisi lakhe-ke umcommissioner wamaphoyisa la bona-ke base bemkhomba kuyena-ke umseshi-ke noma-ke umphenyi-ke noma umholi okuyena ohola ithimba eliphenyayo licala leli uBrigadier Gininda.
Now, what is crucial, and it is contained at page 44 of the transcript of the 7th of September 2023, is the meeting with Brigadier Gininda of the 13th of November 2019 that Constable Zungu testifies about.
Okusemqoka-ke lana-ke umhlangano abanawo uBrigadier Gininda yena-ke Constable Zungu wange-13 November.
Yes.
Nge-13 kaNovember athi-ke umhlangano abanawo noBrigadier Gininda.
So that will be the 13th November 2019.
Unyaka u-2019.
And he says, he's being led by my learned colleague, Advocate Baloyi. Yeah, at line 9, Mr. Baloyi. Yeah, but what was discussed at that meeting with Brigadier Gininda on the 13th of November 2019? And Constable Mr. Zungu, or Constable Zungu, he says, he asked me, what do you know about the killing of Meyiwa?
Umbuzo-ke awawubuzwa yena-ke Constable Zungu obuzwa yena-ke u-Advocate Baloyi, yini-ke idingidwa-ke lapho kulowo mhlangano kanye naye uBrigadier Gininda? Mayiphendula-ke uZungu wathi wangibuza-ke ukuthi yini engiyaziyo ngokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa.
And Mr. Baloyi continues, yes. And Mr. Zungu says, I told him I know nothing and there is nothing that I can talk about.
Ephendula-ke yena uZungu wathi-ke ngamtshela-ke ukuthi akukho engikwaziyo, akukho engingakhuluma ngakho.
Now, this Mr. Ntanzi, what does that tell you about Constable Zungu's certainty regarding your alleged involvement in the incident of 26 October 2014.
As a court, please promote, I think that that is opinion evidence, and it's a matter that should best be left for argument.
I just wanted to have that, Mr. Tanzi. I'll withdraw that question and I'll argue it later. Now, let's go back to Exhibit S, Mr. Tanzi. Exhibit S. Exhibit S. And we'll start at page 3 thereof. We'll go through the rest of that exhibit. Now, you've had evidence, not even evidence, in the judgment of the Honorable Court in the trial within the trial, it was said that there are photos where all of you, that is accused number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are together. Now, I want to take you through this Exhibit S and tell me, as it's page, photograph by photograph, whether you recognize yourself in any of those photos.
Kunesinqumo-ke esakhishwa inkantolo-ke la eyathi khona-ke kuney'thombe la khona-ke nonke nindawonye, mayithi nonke-ke sola wokuqala, owesibili, owesithathu, owesine nowesihlanu. Manje-ke sizobheka-ke isithombe ngasithombe noma isithombe ngasinye, usho-ke ukuthi kunala uyibona khona-ke wena kwisithombe leso ozobe ubuzwa ngaso.
Now, on page 3, is that you depicted on that photograph? Do you see yourself there?
Uyazibona kule sithombe lesi?
Yeah, so.
Wena uyayibona yini kule sithombe lesi? No.
4.
Lesi? No.
The following one, are you there in the photograph?
Khona kulesi? No.
The next one, is that you depicted there, Mr.
Wena there? No.
The following one, you said you used to do traditional dance. I see a dancer or warrior there. Is that you?
Ushizo ukuthi-ke umuntu-ke wengoma wena there?
Unmasked.
No, I don't know this one.
The following one, the two gentlemen that are there, is either of them yourself?
Kulabalisa ababili abalaphayana ngabe omunye wabo wena? No, although it's not clearly visible, but no, it's not me.
And this one, do you recognize or observe yourself in the depiction there?
Uyazibona wena la kulesi? No, my lord.
On this one, is that you depicted there?
Wena there? No.
And this one, is that you?
Kulesi? No, my lord.
And in the background, do you see yourself? There are people also in the background. Do you see yourself?
Kunabantu emuva laphayana, uyayibona wena laphaya? No, I'm not there. I don't even know the people, my lord.
And on this one?
Kulesi? No, my lord.
And this one?
Lesi? No.
Is that you depicted here, Mr. Ntanzi?
Wena there? No, my lord.
And there are 3 people depicted on this photo. Are you also part of the people depicted there?
Kunabantu abathathu laphaya, ngabe uwomunye wabo? No, my lord.
And on this one?
Kulesi? No, my lord.
On the following one?
Silandelayo? No, my lord.
And on this one, Mr. Ntanzi, is that you depicted there?
Wena there? No, my lord.
There are three people depicted on that photograph. Is that one of them? Is that you?
Kunabantu abathathu lapha ngabe omunye wabo wena?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
And on this one, the same persons as above. Is that one of them? You?
Kulesi-ke ilaba-ke isithombe lesi esiqeda ukudlula omunye wabo ngabe wena?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
On the following one, Mr. Ntanzi, can you do that?
Kulesi
There are two people depicted. Is either of them one you depicted there?
kunabantu ababili lapha ngabe omunye wabo wena?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
And on this one, are you depicted somewhere there?
Ukhona kulesi?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
This one, there's a group of about 4 men, 5 men. Are you part of the people depicted there?
Lapha kunabalisa abahlanu ngaba omunye wabo?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
Also on this one, although others are obscured, are you in this picture, Mr. Ntanzi?
Nalapha-ke nanoma nje abanye babo-ke bengabonakali ngabe omunye wabo?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
And on this one, there are 2 males depicted there. Are you one of them?
Kulesi-ke kunabalisa ababili ngaba omunye wabo?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
The next one,
Silandelayo
there's a person depicted in the driver's seat of the motor vehicle. Is that you?
kunomuntu laphayana-ke esihlalweni somshayeli ungaba wena?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
And there are 3 people depicted there. Is one of them you?
Kunabantu abathathu lapha ngabe omunye wabo wena?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
The next one, there's also now a group of people there. Are you depicted amongst the people that are there?
Ingabe uyingxenye yalabantu laba ababona abakulesa sithombe?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
And on this one as well, amongst the group, are you also there?
Kulesi ukhona lapha?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
On this photograph,
Kulesi?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
and the person on, looks like on the phone holding a phone. Is that you?
Lana umuntu lona-ke osefonini uncike laphayana-ke kuleya phone yana wena?
Cha.
No.
And this photograph there, Mr. Ntanzi, have you seen this photograph before? The one depicted on here.
Lesi sithombe usuke wasibona ngaphambilini?
Sibona patrol.
I saw it in the boardroom.
And what about in the boardroom? What was said in relation to this photograph?
Yini eyashiwo eboardroom mayelana nesithombe lesi?
Babethi ngibatshela taxini.
They were alleging that it was me and I was telling them that it wasn't me.
And who was alleging that this person depicted there on it's yourself?
Kwakuwubani lo owayethi-ke umuntu lo lesa sithombe wena?
Wabuginini.
Mr. Kenyinda.
Okay, let's move on to the next photograph. Is that you on this photograph, Mr. Ntanzi?
Wena lo kulesi sithombe?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
And there are 3 people depicted there. Is one of them yourself?
Kunabantu abathathu kulesi sithombe ngabe omunye wabo wena?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
There's a collage of photographs there. If you look at all of them and tell me whether you are part of the collage that is displayed there.
Kuney'thombe-ke lapha ey'hlukahlukene noma-ke la ey'hlanganiswe khona-ke uma uyibuka-ke ungasho ukuthi ukhona lapha.
Cha, angikho kulezi-ke lana. Angichazi.
No, my lord, I do not appear.
There's also a collage there of about 3 photographs. Are you depicted in any of the photographs in that collage?
Nalapha futhi kuhlanganiswe iy'thombe ungabe ukhona-ke kule y'thombe ey'ntathu ey'hlanganiswe la?
Cha Nkosikazi.
No, my lord.
The next one, Mr. Spender, please. What is depicted there, Mr. Ntanzi? Is that you?
Yini leya ikulesa sithombe wena?
Cha.
No.
And the next one, this photograph, is that you depicted there, Mr. Ntanzi?
Uwena lo kulesa sithombe?
Now
No,
let's
my
stop.
lord.
Let's stop at this photograph, Mr. Ntanzi. I'm going to come during the course of the week to some of the photographs that were attached to your call records by, I believe it was Mr. House and Mr. Stein. And this photograph also appears in some of your photographs. Do you recognize this photograph?
Asimeke kulesi sithombe ngizophinde ngibuyeleke kuyithombe ngoba ke uma ke Mr. Stein ehlanganisa ke iy'thombe kanye nama-calls lesi sithombe besikhona ke uyasazi lesithombe lesi.
Have you seen it before
Wake wasibona ngaphambili.
in the records that were produced alongside your cell phone records by either Stein or House?
La bekhishwa khona-ke ama-record akho ama-cellphone noma bekuwu-Stein noma ke u-House ngaba wasibona yini isithombe lesi?
Ngisibonile Nkosi enkantolo lapha ecourt uma ungikhombisa wena mmeli wami.
I saw it here in court when you, as my legal representative, appointed it to me.
Now, do you know the origin of this photo, Mr. Ntanzi? Because allegedly from your side, and we'll see it more clearly when we deal with cell phone records. Apparently it was also downloaded from one of your devices.
Ingabe ke isithombe lesi uyasazi na ngoba ke ma kushiwo ke noma ke ufakazi ke bathi ke sa downloadwa ke noma satholakala ke kwenye yama cellphones akho.
Akulona iqiniso Nkosi enkantolo.
That's not true, my lord.
Sasingekho lesi sithombe for me.
This photo was not in my phone.
Okay, let's proceed to the next photograph. Now, amongst there is that the items depicted there, is that one of them, is that you?
Kuloko kukhonjiswayo ke kulesi sithombe ingabe ke wena? No, my lord.
The next photograph. Here, is that you depicted here?
Wena there?
Cha Nkosi.
No, my lord.
And here, is that also you amongst the three items depicted there?
Lana?
Cha.
No.
There's a person depicted there, is that you?
Kunomuntu lapha wena?
Cha Nkosi.
No, my lord.
And is that you depicted here?
Wena there?
Cha Nkosi.
No, my lord.
There's a group of men there. If you look carefully, are you present depicted in that photo?
Kunabalisa lapha uma ubuka kahle ke ukhona lapha?
Cha Nkosi.
No, my lord.
The next one, Mr. Wood. And there are two men depicted here. Is that one of you?
Kunabalisa babili lapha ngabe omunye wabo wena?
Cha Nkosi.
No, my lord.
There are four men depicted there. Is that one of you, the person depicted there?
Lapha kunabalisa bane ngaba omunye wabo?
Ah, Nkosi.
No, my lord.
And we've dealt with this one. We can skip it. Here, two persons are depicted. Is that one of them you?
Abantu ababili lapha ngabe omunye wabo wena?
Cha Nkosi.
No, my lord.
And there are a variety of items depicted there. Are you part of the things depicted there?
Kunokuhlukahlukene ke okhona lapha ngaba ke kuloko kulapha ukhona?
Cha Nkosi.
No, my lord.
Thank you, Mr. Ron. Thank you, Mr. Siwa. Mr. Ntanzi, now I've covered the testimony of Constable Zungu. And I've covered Exhibit S, my lord, with the leave of the court. I'm going to start tomorrow on the evidence of a new witness also that has referred to the witness in their testimony. In fact, there's three of them that I still need to cover tomorrow. So may I request that we adjourn for the day and resume tomorrow at 10 a.m.
What's the time?
It is nearly 10 past 3 minutes.
It's 15:11.
Hello?
15:11.
What is 15:11?
It's 11 minutes past 3.
So should we adjourn?
I think that is the request of.
Yeah, that's it. So I'm asking the other gentlemen, should we adjourn?
Well, we don't object.
Program sipile izoqhubeka kusasa-ke izoqala-ke ukubuza ngokunye useqedile-ke ngabe ukubuza ngakho.
Yeah, okay, until tomorrow.
Sasa-ke